In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change meet time in Salesloft. Firstly, in the Salesloft top menu, click your initials in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu and under Personal Settings, select Calendar. Click the Meetings Setup tab and find the Meeting Defaults section. Click Edit to open the Edit Meeting Defaults page. In the Editing Defaults page, enter the following. Enter your default meeting title. You can use plain text or add a dynamic tag. Also, you need to add your default meeting location, for example, Zoom, Google Meet, or physical location. Just note that if you have Google Meet or Microsoft Teams integration enabled, a video conferencing field will appear in your default link. You can also add a short description of the meeting. This could include an agenda, meeting room code, or video call link. And finally, set the length of your meeting in minutes. And that's it, your meeting defaults are now customized and ready to go.